Hey guys, we're doing the team draw for the 4-box break at 7:45 and 42 PM Melbourne time. Random is live, dice roll, on 10 times on the names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is that. Copy that. Put that there. Save. Get that list and put it there. Put that one, get the teams down. On 7 times. Get that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and yoink. Fuck, trying to type and complete. And here's a list. I'll read out the list in a sec. Sean Thung with the Suns, Hurley Jazz, later Wizards, Hurley Hawks, Adam Amy Grizz, Irvine Bulls, later Heat, Johnson Clippers, Dudley Wolves, Sean Thung Nets, Broadbent Sixers, Cannon Pacers, Cameron McDonald Magic, Van Houten Warriors and Pistons, Jamie Norman Knicks, Van Houten Hornets, Woodward Raptors, Dudley Spurs, Van Houten Blazers, Sean Hutchinson Thunder, Van Houten Lakers, Sean Thon Pelicans, Austin Kelsey Celtics, Raymond Dye Nuggets, Adam Amy Rockets, Andrew Hurley Kings, Adam Tucci Mavericks, Bucks for Jeff Witkowski, and Van Houten with the Cavs, and that's the list. And there we go.